How's everybody? This is Coach Aipa, and today we're going to talk about sit-through progressions. And you've probably seen this movement quite a bit out there on social media. I've done a couple of exercises when it's like a ground-based bodyweight movement practice or training session that I'm doing, and it's really quickly looks like this. So here, we're going back and forth, and one of those this movement is really popular from the Rulk, with the RFT, Raw Functional Training. He's known to be training Chris Hemsworth and so forth, but a lot of times when people see that, they think to themselves like, oh my God, I can't do that exercise. That looks way too complicated, way too much things moving, right? But that's the great thing about it, is that we have a lot of movement in it. So we get a lot of brain activity going on. You have our muscles moving in different ways. You're working on about stability, mobility, other abilities out there, and it's just a great movement to do when you have time, if you want to try it out. But when we do it into this movement, you want to be in a tabletop position. So the tabletop position is when we're having a nice back flat in this all fours, not on our knees off the ground. We're holding that nice and steady. Okay, that's the main position that we're rooting from. From there, when we do a sit through, we're just sitting through. Don't overthink the movement. We're going to go here, and all we're doing is sitting down. We're like, how's it? What's up? How are you doing? Okay, that's all we're doing. From that position, we'll go right back down to the tabletop. Then we go to the other side, holding that position. Right back up, the other side. That's the sit through. Now, it may look kind of nuts when you have all these different angles of cameras and it looks all fancy and so forth, but it's not too nuts as it seems, okay? It's not so crazy. So, back and forth. So I can go fast, back and forth, here and everything, okay? So shoulder stability, getting your hips coming through, and we're good to go, all right? A lot of movements are going. Core is rotating, thoracic is rotating, and back and forth. And it gets the heart rate moving. This is a great exercise to do when you have not many space to move around in. Now when we do the next exercise, that's a sit through. That's just the basic part. Then we're going to the kick through. The kick through is when we extend that leg out. So if we're here, okay, we get back to the tabletop position, we're gonna kick through, okay? Now we can put our leg down or we can keep it up. Back down, then the other side. And you can make it really like, as if there's like some kind of form to it. You're gonna get the whole, the elbow action going back and all that stuff, Make it look really good, or you can just do however it feels right. Main thing is that we're getting that leg extending out into that position. Okay, you can throw the chakra if you like. So right here, holding it, back to the tabletop. Nice and slow. Down, tabletop, okay? Again, cruising position. How's it? Check out the waves. Don't overthink this movement. From there, you can do a bunch of things. I like to go into the kick through, into the bridge reach. So that bridge reach, we're going here, extending the leg out, pulsing up, arms up, and you bridge up. Okay, we're back down the middle. The other side, you bridge up. Right back down to the middle. Now, if you think about that movement right there, hey, what does this look like? If we're here, post up. Oh man, it's a Turkish get-up. Okay, that's the amazing thing right there. All right, so we're here, extending it out, pulse it up, coming back down. And we can get like really into it, or we can just take our time, okay? And just get the body moving in that plane of motion. And this gets all, like I said, the ability is in there. Okay, but that's just, I just wanted to share with you, because that's a common exercise that we see, is that sit through. And if we can just not get overwhelmed or intimidated by what it looks like, and just kind of, again, sit through. How's it? How you doing? We're back up the top. Sit, sit. That's all it is. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section below. I'm more than happy to help you guys out. But other than that, start sitting through and enjoy all the abilities out there. Allah.